Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I've got 2 pieces of Happy Mail. My weekly Cocoa Daisy sticker kit for either April or May. I can't remember which one. And then I stopped by my P.O. box, and Jen Morgan sent me some Happy Mail. So I figured I would open that as well. So, go ahead and put that over to the side. Let me get my handy dandy little narwhal scissors and open up this lovely piece of Happy Mail from my P.O. box. Just because I've been sick this month, it has been a minute since I went to my P.O. box. So, yay! This is what I thought it was. Yay! I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Jen, this is awesome. Thank you so much. She had told me that she had some of these hydrate stickers and that she would send them to me. And I'm so excited. I don't want to lose that sticker. So hold on, I'll see if I can get that open. Oh, yay! I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. So, 2. Oh, my goodness. These are so exciting. Oh, my gosh. These are great. Oh, wow. And some of these are kits that I just never used. Oh, my goodness. Oh, these are so awesome. I love all of these trackers and such. Oh my goodness. Jen, this is so sweet. Thank you so much for these. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that plaid. Oh, I definitely will use these. Oh my goodness. Oh, love these. Oh, and this is from the memory keeping kit. Oh, those are so cool. Resting coffee face. Oh my gosh. I love that so much. Oh my word. There's still more. Little things. Oh my gosh. More of the plaid. Oh, and the to-dos and the todays. Oh my gosh. These are awesome. Oh, that owl. One of my favorite kits. One of my absolute favorite kits was that moon and owl theme. Oh my gosh. Girl, you have gone above and beyond. These are so amazing. Oh, thank you so much. Because believe you me, I am definitely going to use every dang bit of this. Thank you so much. These are truly amazing, and I am definitely not going to have to buy any of these for quite a while. So thank you. Thank you, Jen. You are awesome, and I will definitely be sending a thank you note, and I can't wait to use that little sticker in my Happy Mail book. So thank you again for that. I appreciate it. And then more Cocoa Daisy for my week's kit. And let's just open this. And I want to say it's May, but I could totally be off. My whole, oh, this is the Poppy Fields one. Yay. My whole time frame and time reference is pretty much just gone. So this is from Christine. I'm so excited to introduce you to the new artist we have collaborated with this month, Olga Cuddle. And Olga is from Canada and creates beautiful watercolor art. As soon as I saw her art of the lady in the poppy fields, I knew we had to build a collection around it. I love poppies for various reasons, but the field of poppies, oh. This art was the perfect mix of bold color and softness, working seamlessly together to symbolize what can be a transitional month of April. We also added some playful umbrellas and storming clouds in this collection. This month is a month of change for us here at Cocoa Daisy too. We've updated the daily pages in our planner inserts a little. We've added a full set of pocket cards back to our new modern memory keeping kit, and we're adding 2 more insert sizes to our planner lineup. We hope your spring is as beautiful and bright as this month's collection. I love it. I absolutely love this. This is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And there were actually pieces of this kit that I wanted to buy, but because I was sick, I didn't get online to do it. And so I will be stocking the buy sell trade group, because yeah, there are pieces of this that I love, because I have a special spot in my heart for poppies. So this is the week's sticker kit, and this is much more trimmed down than what I even, usually at times purchase, since I've limited down my collection or my subscription. But thanks to Jen, I may not have to purchase hardly anything for quite a while. But these are the date covers, and they go along the side of your weeks. Hold on. Let me pull out my sticker week, or this is my sneaker weeks. So these date covers go along here. And then you've got meal planning, groceries, weekend date covers. And this weekend date cover will fit right here from Saturday and Sunday. So that weekend will take care of both of those if you didn't want to use the individual. So just so you know. And then these are 2 of my favorite sheets. So put those over. These, you've got Hello April. She was a storm, not the kind you run from, the kind you chase. I love that so much. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's learning to dance in the rain. That's one of my favorite quotes. Be always blooming. And the mind is like an umbrella. It's most useful when opened. And then you've got the April trackers that you can put at the top. These will fit here, even in the sneaker weeks. And then, make sure you're all in this thing. Then these trackers will fit here, or you can put it down here, either way. And then these are built to go, or sized to go on the bottoms, and you can interchange them. So this amount here at the bottom, that's what these are for. So, like I said, you can interchange these as far as putting them this way, however you want to do it. You can also interchange them with different ones for each side. You don't always have to use the way it looks. So, of course, Be Always would maybe not be as, explanatory as Be Always Blooming, but otherwise, you could use the umbrellas with this. You could use that umbrella with this one. You could put this with any of these, but I like changing mine up, and sometimes I don't really use them all in a month, just because I don't want that whole thick ridge at the bottom. These are pretty limiting as far as they have April 2021, so they've got the month and the year. However, I do have some that I have, that I have just taken an X-Acto knife and cut down and then use those. I've also cut down just right down the middle so I could still use April if I wanted to, just not the year. So it just kind of depends on how much effort you want to put into using the stickers that you still have if you don't use them all up during the same month. These are the boxes and the checklists. So you've got your quarter boxes, your half boxes. Now these boxes fit in here. So where that imaginary line is in the Hobonichi, they will fit, those squares will fit right there. And they will also fit in this box, anywhere in this box. Then you have this week, and these quarter box, or these heart checklists and circle checklists will also fit in the daily section of the weeks, or you can put them here. It's just kind of up to you. The quarter boxes, you know, will fit anywhere that you want to put them. But I use these in certain places, but these I don't use as much, although I am starting to, and I will probably be using these more going into the future just because of some self-care things that I'm trying to change and starting to balance between my body, mind, and spirit. And so I'm trying to make sure that all of those are balanced and are healthy, or I'm doing something more healthy for each one of those. And so I may be using these more often. And then you've got today's and to-dos, and then you've got one this week here, which I love that. I love that color so much. And then you've got stickers, and these stickers are, they've got the white background. So they're the matte paper. And then here you've got the Monday through Sunday. And again, those will fit in these boxes here. So you can do a checklist or however you want to do it. I used to write them out, but I've been using these and I love these colors. I love this color scheme so much. So I'm always happy to have more of those. And then this is the last sheet, and it is, they're washi stickers. And so they've got a clear background. So they're more like washi strips. And then you've got these washi strips. These washi strips here will fit up here. And then you can use these thinner ones to mark out the lines if you wanted to do that. But basically put it anywhere you want. Then these dates will fit into these squares or down arrows. So you can take those, each one is square and they match the top of that, of the row. So you can take those and mark your dates if you wanted to do that. And then you've got different things, to-dos, appointments, meetings, to buy, late night, notes, trackers, bill pays, next week, lunch date, payday, girls' night, takeout, birthday, celebrate, doctor's appointment, nail appointment, and those kind of things. I love that it's like right in there is just like one little weather sticker with the rain. I think that's awesome. But that is the sticker kit for the weeks. And I love these kits. I use quite a bit of these kits each month. And as I said, there's some that I'm going to be starting to use more often. And yeah, there you have it. And then on top of that, the Happy Mail from Jen Morgan. I appreciate this so much. Oh my goodness, you have no idea. I am so excited to go through these and sort through these and just be like, oh! So thank you very much for this. I truly appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful second day of spring, since yesterday was Ostara and the spring equinox. Everything is now becoming more balanced with the light and the dark of the daylight and nighttime. And I hope you kind of take that to heart and try to learn to balance yourselves. So have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.